Kubli ya baro ha kene ke video ke bamta ngan pentip sapi ya ki sapang ki post district selection committee DSC. Te kane kadai ka notice bala penmi da ka office of the deputy commissioner is Kasihil district Chelong. Badai sapang ki post district selection committee DSC. Bala penmi haka tarik September arhajar arpusau. Dengan pulih ketkum notice bala penmi. This is for information that the district selection committee is Kasihil district Shillong has to be decided to extend the last date for online application for the advertisement DSC 2024 dated Shillong the 2nd August 2024 due to the increase in the number of vacancies submitted by the respective office. Interest candidates are requested to visit the official website https://kasihil.gov.in and apply the vacancy post till 10 September 2024. Te katarik kil extend beng hadu kasih tarik September ajar pusau. Bapila man apply. Te mensua haka advertisement kebanikong kalas date kadai tarik September ajar pusau batmta klapen extend beng hadu kasih tarik. Bar ladadun apedeng jopi baklam par apply yakini kipus ngba apply no namar ba kile extend hadu kasih tarik September arhajar pusau. Te kipus baro kibalat kidon kumbadus pa tamayay kibom pad apply te salit ban apply no te tang kini kicing pentep kumlay sibon.